The all-new Mini lineup has been completed with the reveal of the Aceman, a raised, Renault Clio-sized hatchback positioned between the Coupe and Countryman. The Mini Aceman is perfect for navigating crowded city streets, while maintaining the versatility and functionality of a crossover and the go-kart feeling you can expect from a Mini. From the outside, the Mini Aceman embodies sporty agility and a self-assured presence. The vehicle architecture of the new crossover model is based on a fully electric drive concept. The entire new Mini family features a clear, reduced design, giving the various models a contemporary look that exudes effortless assurance. The minimalist design style of the Mini Aceman also powerfully conveys its progressive character. Spacious door interiors along with comfortable dimensions in the shoulder area and convenient legroom give the bright cockpit an open and amply proportioned atmosphere, while the panoramic glass roof enhances this effect by providing additional light from above. In the dark, the ambient lighting along the roof frame creates the selected lighting mood in the interior. The freestanding door handles and the speaker covers in the new vibrant silver finish are aligned diagonally and create a fascinating contrast with the horizontal design in the front area of the cockpit. With innovative technologies, the circular OLED display lends the interior additional expressive quality. With a diameter of 240 mm, the central instrument features an extremely flat design and a high-quality glass surface. The innovative Mini Operating System 9 enables all driving functions to be operated intuitively by touch or voice. A center for both comfort and experience, the Mini Interaction Unit is handled in a similar way to a smartphone. The battery of the Mini Aceman can be charged via alternating current with 11 kilowatts. Fast charging with direct current is possible in the Mini Aceman E with 75 kilowatts and in the Aceman SE with up to 95 kilowatts.